Hi, how do you keep your home office clutter-free? I'm Stephanie Shalofsky of the Organizing Zone, and I recently shared some strategies for clearing that clutter. I hope that you've had time to clear the clutter in your home office so you can enjoy the benefits. And once you have that clutter cleared, I want to share some tips for maintaining your space so that you don't have to invest a lot of time re-clearing all the clutter. This will set you up for really great success relative to managing your space. So first off, look at the frequently used items that are on your desk. I want you to really streamline them and limit them to the real essentials, maybe like your stapler, your pens, and your phone. Clear everything else away that you don't use every day. Put it in a cabinet, in a closet. It'll still be accessible, but not taking up prime real estate. The real objective is to leave space available, regardless of the size of your desk, for your computer and other work-related materials. And now, number two, do not use the floor as an extension of your desktop. I know it's very tempting to clear space, take that whole pile, and just drop it. Don't do that. As you have that pile in your hand, look at what's there. Figure out where it belongs. Maybe you have stuff that has to be trashed. Maybe there's stuff that should be filed. Put the stuff where it belongs. Just don't put it on the floor. And number three, look at the mementos that are taking up space on your desk. This is really key, especially if the space is small. Yes, maybe your photo or two is fine, but we can't have many more than that. So choose your favorites, box up the rest, and then swap them out periodically. I know at these times, especially, we want to look back at happier times and remind ourselves of what life was before the pandemic hit. However, we need to limit the number of mementos. They cause distractions, which shifts our focus, and then we're not as productive as we should be. So I hope you can apply some of these tips, because if you don't, then you're going to have to set aside a huge chunk of time to clear the clutter again. We don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. You want to use that time to do something fun, not to clear the clutter. So if you have any questions as you're trying to maintain your space, please reach out to me. I'm Stephanie Shalofsky of the Organizing Zone. I look forward to talking with you.